What's the meaning of baraza? Baraza. Baraza.
Baraza. Baraza. Baraza is a Swahili term that refers to a communal gathering space or forum. It is often used in East African countries like Kenya and Tanzania, where it has both historical and cultural significance. Historically, barazas were a place for people to come together to discuss and solve community issues, make decisions, and exchange ideas. Today, barazas continue to play an important role in the social fabric of East Africa, as they remain a platform for democracy, social cohesion, and community building. They are often held in public squares or under trees, and attendees come from all walks of life.